everybody, this is not the fun part of farming. Here in mid-Missouri, we're having a winter storm. We've got low temperatures. And the farmer and I are out this morning adding extra bedding to the shelters and breaking waters. One of my least favorite things to do. We're going to be out twice a day. We're going to open up the waterers. He's going to use a fork here, scrape out the big chunks, which will prevent it from freezing a little bit longer. And then when we come around the second time each day, we'll be bringing fresh water and adding to it. We've got 2 extra small water troughs here, because we've got about 10 days of staying below freezing, and we're gonna have to deal with this water situation. Well,
go around that way. Go through that way.
okay. So my farmer is taking it's a 2-year-old hay bale, which the goats will still eat on it, but that's not their main hay source. They've got round bales back here, but he's going to put it in their shelter, give them a little extra comfort and warmth for bedding, and they'll still nibble on it. And then you can see back over here, they had a hay bale, and then we brought an extra hay bale just to every pasture right before this storm happened. And goats are nosy. They're going to all have to go in there and check it out. What we want them to do, we want them to all go take a turn and get a drink where we're at the pasture. There's my farmer playing cheerleader. Hard on his back. He's gonna check the hay feeder while he's out there. Oh, goats. Now they're gonna explore that shelter. Our hay definitely lasts longer. We have less waste when we use a hay ring, but we have to make sure that the goats can actually get to it. And so sometimes we're peeling off layers, knocking it down. Sometimes it peels more easily than other times. And the goats are all showing up. That's the good stuff. Woke up this morning, there was a little bit of sunshine. And the wind has died down, which is good. We were expecting a high today of 10. Tonight's scary. We're gonna have a low of -12. And that's just not normal for around here. On to the next pasture.